Yeah, children, 10.4 exercise is left over in compound interest, 8th class. I'm discussing that one. Please see here, children. So, first question, children. Rishikesh, find the amount and compound interest on 10,000. See, Rishikesh, amount and compound interest
Yes,
on
sir.
10,000. 1 year, time is 1 year, rate of interest is 10%, compounded half yearly.
Yes, sir.
Half yearly. Half yearly means
2 years.
10 by 2
Two.
is
10 by 2,
5%.
which is 5%.
And in 1 year, how many half years?
2.5 years.
Can you please tell me
And then
now?
amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
Mhm.
10,000 is equals to 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power 2.
Okay.
10,000 plus, sorry, 10,000 into 105 by 100 whole to the power 2.
Okay.
10,000 into 105 into 105 by 100 by 100. 100,
Okay.
100 into 100, 0 cancels. 105, 105, 11,000
11,025 rupees is
25 rupees
amount. And
amount.
compound interest is amount minus principal.
Amount minus
This
principal.
minus this, you'll get 1,025
1,025
rupees.
rupees.
If it is compounded, half
Half
yearly.
yearly.
Raghuram,
Yes, sir.
find the compound interest on a principal of 18,500 for 1 year. For 1 year at the rate of 12%. At the rate of 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. Half yearly.
Yes, sir. Rate of interest is equals to 12 by 2 is equals to 6%. That 2 half years in 1 year.
Okay.
Uh, Amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
Rishikesh, keep calculator ready. Huh.
Amount is equals to 18,500 into 1 plus 6 by 100 whole to the power n. Amount is equals to 18,500 into 106 by 100 whole square. Amount is equals to 18,500 into 106 into 106 into 106 by 100 into 100.
Two zeros gone. So amount is equal to 185 into
106 into 106 by 100.
100. So how much is Rishikesh? This into this by 100. Rishikesh,
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir. One second.
go fast, man.
Sir, 1,097. Sorry. 1,972 rupees, sir.
You're doing wrong. What can I? You can't do this one also, Miss Hope.
That's 20,898.96.
20,000
898.96.
9 6. This is amount. So what will be the compound interest, Anna? Amount minus
And
principal. You have to do that. Okay. Rishikesh, be
20,
careful, Anna. Yeah. Surya, principal is 40,600 960. Surya, are you there?
Yes.
40,960 from a bank for 1.5 years. For 1.5 years, he borrowed, okay, at the rate of 12.5%. At the rate of 12.5%. Compounded semi-annually. Same. Semi-annually means half yearly.
Yes.
So, same half yearly means, see, 12 to the 24, 25 by 2 is normal percent. If you do by 2,
So
25 by 4.
25/4.
And in 1.5 years, how many half years?
So 3.
3 half years. Tell me, amount is equal to
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole n is equal to into 1 plus 25 by 4 400 whole cube 40960 into 120 425 by 400 whole cube
okay.
40960 into 425 by 400 into 425 by 400 into 425 by 400.
425 into 425 into 425 by 400 into 400 into 400. 25 ones are 25 six are 25 17s are 25 16s are 25 17s are 25 16s are 25 17s are. So 40960 into 17 into 17 into 17 by 16 into 16. 16 twos are 32. 16
Sir,
fives are
answer is 49,130.
how much? How much? How much?
49,130, sir.
49,130. That much, okay, amount. This is amount. Compound interest means amount minus principal. Yes, correct. Amount will be greater. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Surya, tell me one more sum. Fourth sum. Suraj invested 40,000. Surya. Suraj invested 40,000 in a savings scheme for 1 year. In a savings scheme for 1 year at 13% per annum. At 13% per annum. Interest being compounded half yearly. Half yearly, half yearly means Surya half yearly.
Sir, by 2.
Okay, and in 1 year, how many half years?
Sir, 2.
Hmm.
A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole n. A is equal to 40,000 into 1 plus 13 by 2 by 100, 200 whole 2. 40,000 into 213 by 200 whole square. 40,000 into 213 into 213 by 400.
So 213 into 213, how much? Anyone? Amount is how much?
Total amount is 45,369.
45,369. And compound interest, if you want, amount minus principal, you should do. Pravalika, next one.
Yes, sir.
What sum invested for 1.5 years? What sum invested for 1.5 years? What sum invested 1.5 years? Compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. In 1.5 years, how many half years, Amma? 3 half years. Compounded half yearly at 4% per annum. At 4% per annum, amounting to rupees 265,302. So half yearly which rate will become 4 by 2.
By 2.
Tell me amount is equal to principal into
Principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. 26
okay.
by 302 is equal to P into 1 plus 2 by 100 whole to the power of 3 is equal to P into 102 by 100 whole to the power of 3. 265,302 is equal to P into 102 into 102 by 100 into 100
102 into 102 into 102
into 100 into 100
102
by
by 100 into 100 into 100. So this all will go up. This all will come down. So 256 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 102 into 102 into 102. Anyone can help me out, or shall I leave like that only? No problem. That is the principal we invested. Anyone? Anyone can tell me how much is that value? Okay, no problem. That is how you have to do the sum. For 1.5 years, 3 half yearlies will be there. That you should know that. And half yearly means by 2 you should do. Quarterly means by 4 you should do. Remember, because there are 4 quarters. Next. Sujit, are you there? Can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. Calculate the amount received by Amir if 7,68,000. 7,68,000 is invested, is lent out by him for 1.5 year. Check 1.5 year at the rate of 5% per annum. Same 5% per annum, half yearly. Half yearly means what you do? Half yearly means what you'll get? 5 means?
5 by 2.
In 1.5 year, how many half years will be there? In 1.5 year, how
No,
many half years?
1.5 years.
3 half years. Half
three.
plus half plus half. Okay, so amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. A is equal to 76,800 into 1 plus 5 by 200 to whole power of 3 by 205 by 100. 200.
No problem.
So 768,123 into 205 into
205
205
into 205
by
205 by
200 into
200
200
into
into
200 into 200.
200. Can anyone tell me how much could be the amount? Can anyone tell me how much could be the amount?
Sir, 8 lakh 27,052 rupees.
Okay, very good, fantastic. Compound interest means amount minus principal. Next, a sum of money is invested in a chit fund yields 600 as simple interest. Simple interest is 600. Simple interest is 600 and at 20% per annum. At 20% per annum, if this sum is lent for 1.5 years, if this sum is lent for 1.5 years at 20% per annum, at 20% per annum as compound interest, uh, half yearly, compounded half yearly, and this is compounded half yearly, how much benefit he will get? First, from simple interest, you have to find out principal. Surya, from simple interest, how to find principal?
X is equal to PTR by 100. 600 is equal to P into this
1.5 year. 1.5 year means 3 by 2
3 by 2. Yes.
into 20 by 100. So how much? This 6,000 by 3 is how much?
6, sir?
2,000 rupees.
Yes.
Now this 2,000 is compounded half yearly. Tell me.
Sir, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole and A is equal to 2000 into 1 plus
20 by 2. Half yearly means 20 by 2 means how much?
10 by 100.
In 1.5 year, how many half years will be there?
3.
Come on, can make a simplification fast.
2000 into 110 by 100. 11 by 10.
Keep saying.
11 by 10. Which is 1,331 by
3, 3. Okay, this all things gone. So 2
yes,
into 11 into 11 into 11. How much?
1,331 into 2.
2,662 rupees. Okay, and only compound interest I want means 2,662 by 2,000. So 662. Simple interest means he's giving 600. Compound interest means he's getting 662 rupees. Which is more advantage, children? Simple interest or compound interest? Compound interest.
Compound interest.
If you give anyone to compound interest, you will get more benefit than simple interest. You will get more benefit. Okay, children. Find the difference between compound interest on 15,000 for 15,000 for 2 years. For 2 years, Raghuram, at 20% per annum, at 20% per annum, when compounded annually and semi-annually. Once you have to do compounded for annually, once you have to do semi-annually, and how much is the difference? You tell me. Normally, first you tell annually.
Amount is equals to P 15,000 into 1 plus 20 by 100 whole to the power 2. 15,000 into 120 by 100 whole square. 15,000 into 120 into 120 divided by 100 into 100. Zeros cancel. 15 into 12 into 120 is equals to
21,600.
21,600.
21,600 amount.
Yes, sir.
No. Yeah, 21,600. If he is doing for annually.
Annually.
Let's do semi-annually.
Amount is equals to 15,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100
10 by 100.
whole to the power
In 2 years, how many half years will be there?
4 half.
4.
15,000 into 110 by 100 whole to the power 4. 15,000 into 110 into 110 into 110 by 100 into 100 into 100 into 100.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10. So 15 into 121 into 121 by 10. Can anyone help me, children? Amount? Yes. Anyone help me? I told you to keep calculators ready. Huh? You people.
21,961.5.
Huh? Huh?
21,961.
Say correctly.
So 21,961.
961.5. Like this, you are getting 21,600. Like this, you are getting 961.5. So, how much is the difference?
21,961.
361.5 more you are getting. Same amount, same time, same interest, but annually means you are getting this much. Semi-annually means you are getting this much. You are able to understand? So you are getting a benefit of 361 rupees 0.5 if you are compounding half yearly. You have to check. So bankers children in bank, all these things only will whatever money we save children, they will be lending to so many people as home loans and that loan, personal loan, car loans, etc., etc. They will do all these gimmicks children. That's why they will earn so much in banks. Highly profitable business bank is, because banking sector runs like this only. One, find the compound interest on rupees 13,000. Pravalika, 1,35,000 is there for 1.5 years. Pravalika, for 1.5 years at 6.2 by 3%. At 6.2 by 3% when compounded annually. Normal sum.
Is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. 1 is equal to 1,35,000 into 1 plus
18.
20 by 300.
20 by 300 whole to the
Whole
power
to the
of
power
1
of 1.
into 1 plus, for half year, what will be the percent? Half of it. 20 by 3, no?
Yes, sir.
20 by 6. Half of 20 by 3 is 20 by 6. So 20 by 600. Okay. And 1 half year is there. 1 half year is there. Nana, 20 by 3 is actual percentage. Half of it is how much? 20 by 6. Okay, na? Because half of 20 by 3 is 20 by 6. Now tell me 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3.
320 by 300 into 620 by 600.
620. 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros. Oh, only 4 zeros gone. So can anyone help me? 135 into 32 into 62 by 3 into 6. 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 2s are 3 15s are 2 16s are. Can anyone tell 15 into 16 into 62 how much?
1,48,800.
1 lakh?
8,800.
48,000?
800.
800. So children, 1.5 year means 1 year we did like this. Half year I took half percent. 1 year I took directly. Half year I took half percent. Next. Surya, A invest 25,000. A invest 25,000 for 3 years. Surya, A invest 25 3 years at 10% per annum. At 10%.
Sir, how can be 15 into 16 into 62 1,48,000, sir? It's only 14,880.
No, no. One more zero here is there, Nana. I forgot to say.
Oh, okay, sir.
Thank you. Compounded annually. B 1.5 years. B took for 1.5 years at 20% per annum. Children, one fellow took 3 years, 10%. One fellow took 1.5 years. This fellow annually. This fellow semi-annually. How much he each has to pay? How much he each has to pay? Okay, Surya, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Only equation you tell.
Sir, A is equal to 25,000 into 1 plus r by 100 whole n.
This here,
A is equal to 25,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole 3.
whole to the power of 3. Very good. Sujit, simplify.
Uh,
Both are
2
same.
5
Am I correct? Both are same.
is
Tell me simplification.
2500 into 110 by 100 into 2500 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10 into 10 into 10 zeros cancel.
Can anyone help me out,
25
children?
into
It's
133 by
33,275, sir.
33,275. Whether you take 10% for 3 years, whether you take 20% for 1.5 years, it is same, children. It is same. Whether you take for 10% 3 years, whether you take 20% for 1.5 year, it is coming to be same. So how to invest and what to invest as the basic things, children. Investing amount, investing money, investing time. Children, if you know Einstein, what he said means this compound is there, no compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, he said. Anything which you do slowly, little, day by day, consistently, okay, consistently, if you do, persistently, if you do with the commitment, you will get so much result, children. Compounding is very eighth wonder of the world, Einstein told. Okay, children. Okay, fine. Squares and square roots will start, children, in next class.